Thinking about buying your first home but feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone, and we're here to guide you through it. For many first-time buyers, the process can feel confusing, especially when you don't have equity from a previous home. But with the right support and programs, it doesn't have to be stressful. Our team specializes in helping first-time homebuyers across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Colorado, and California. You can get started with just 3.5% down through an FHA loan. If you're a veteran or active-duty military, there are VA loan options that require no down payment. Plus, many states offer down payment and closing cost assistance, making it even easier to move forward with confidence. From free pre-approval to personalized mortgage options, we'll guide you every step of the way. You'll get expert advice, a clear understanding of your options, and competitive rates, so you can focus on finding the right home for your future. We're committed to making homeownership accessible, straightforward, and stress-free. Thousands of first-time buyers have trusted our team to help them through this journey, and we're ready to do the same for you. Contact us to explore your loan options. Let's make your dream of homeownership a reality together.